Starting from this lesson, we will move our focus from the head tag to the body tag. This means we will officially start to learn how to create the visible part of web pages. Websites can only display 4 kinds of information: text, images, videos, and audio. The 4 kinds of information can be further divided into 2 types: text type and image type. Audio and video files will be treated the same as images. Many of you might think that front-end development is about developing a complete web page from head to toe. But this is only half true. If you are creating a static website, this is what you will be doing. But if you are developing a dynamic website, things will be rather different. Dynamic websites do not even have real web pages. All its web pages are generated by its back-end program. Therefore, dynamic websites do not need a complete web page. The way a dynamic website creates its web pages is a lot like filling forms. Each form is an empty mini-page template. Based on user request, it will retrieve data from its database and put that data into the corresponding mini-templates. In the end, all filled mini-templates will be assembled in a predefined order. This is how a dynamic website creates its web pages. Front-end development for dynamic websites is mainly about creating mini-templates.